Hi, to install apps from unknown sources on your Samsung Galaxy S25, you need to open Settings on the phone. From here, find Security and Privacy tab, and after that, choose More Security Settings. And if you scroll a bit down, you should see this tab, Install Unknown Apps. So just go through the list and decide from which application you want to install something. For example, let's say I want to install something from Google Chrome. For that, I need to tap on the switcher so it will light up blue. And now I can easily install something from Google Chrome. For example, any app I want to install from there. Also, if you want to install apps from Galaxy Store, which is similar to Play Market, then you need to tap on the switcher so it will light up blue as well. And after that, you would see your Galaxy Store here and you'll be able to install some apps from here like you would do from your Play Store, for example. And now let's go back in the same setting. Here we can tap on three dots and choose to show system apps, like that. And also you can tap here and manually find app from which you want to install something. And after that, if you want to just discard changes, so you can tap this blue button, deny all, and now you won't be able to install anything from this list of apps. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.